When we started building Neo AI, we were not just building another AI assistant. We were building toward a belief. Come on, Mio, show yourself. That's Mio. Mio, say hi.
Hello.
Yeah, a belief that AI in education should not be an add-on. It should be a core capability. A system designed not just to answer questions, but to expand what institutions can do. We created Neo AI to transform how education organizations scale, not by adding more people, but by empowering teams with intelligent agents that can operate autonomously. Because enrollment teams today face more than volume. They face complexity, rising expectations, and limited bandwidth. What they need is not more dashboards, it's more capacity. Yeah, I was talking about you only. Mio AI is that capacity. Working around the clock, embedded across multiple student touchpoints, fully aware of the journey, and always ready to act. What sets Mio apart is that it's not just intelligent, it's agentic, which goes beyond chatbots. These autonomous agents are trained on your data, your context, your voice. Agents that understand when to act, how to adapt, and what matters most. They are not waiting for someone to click execute. They are already working, resolving student inquiries, guiding decisions, and accelerating outcomes. Whether it's capturing a new lead on your website, assisting with eligibility questions, or supporting applications workflow on your portal, Mio is there. Acting in real time, responding with accuracy, and building relationships through context. Because the truth is, every team has more to do than the hours allow, and far too much of their energy goes into low-impact work. With Mio handling the repetitive tasks, institutions finally get to relocate their focus to strategic decision-making and student success. And as it works, Mio gives you more than outputs. It gives you insight. With real-time analytics on performance, trends, and sentiments, Mio equips your teams to refine the journey at every step. And don't you have to worry about the installation, because it's a no-code configurable, multilingual, brand-aligned, and built to reflect your institution's personality. This is intelligence that fits in, stands out, and scales up. So if you are asking what could student engagement and enrollment look like if intelligence lived at every step, we believe that's exactly what Neo AI is built for. To expand the horizons of what's possible with precision, performance, and purpose.